all about parenting. Hope you all are safe and sound. And today we are going to discuss about another important topic, that is self-grooming of a mother or self-grooming for a mother. This is one of the recommended topics from one of my audience, telling that teach how a mother should be, because we could see some kind of changes in you. Same way we also would like to improve. So I thought, let me come up with smaller tips what I used to practice as a mother. Till pregnancy or till a woman is getting married or initial days of marriage, she dresses up to the core and she's very much concerned about her color, shape, size and everything. So indirectly or directly, her figure is accentuated by everything what she has. But once she becomes pregnant, her body starts putting on weight, and don't ask once she gets the children what is the condition. She keeps on putting on weight. It is very correct. Till she will be putting on weight, she's breastfeeding, because there are body changes, hormonal changes, the body size will be different, it will be increasing. But after a period that the child is moving out from breastfeeding, actually a mother can get back to her normal shape and size. Actually, what we need to understand, that a mother is literally struggling with the concerns of her child, her own health and the activities, house chores, all these things. Actually her mental balance is lost. This is one of the main reasons she's not able to focus on her mental and physical health. And moreover, this mother is doubting her mothering skills or as a parent skill, because she is not able to reach the expectation what the society is put. So this can induce a feeling of guilt, and she always feeling anxious about herself, that how am I performing as a mother. So this is the time we need to buck up and tell that no, I need to get back to what I was before, or much better than what I was before in my teens or when I getting married. The first and foremost thing a mother needs after her labor is a supporting husband and a house where there is happy in-laws are there, where her mental ability and happiness can be boosted. And the husband should not taunt her for her increase in size and shape, or taunt her and give her the freedom so that she is able to experience what is motherhood, and all the confusions can be settled. So the first and foremost thing a mother needs is the supporting husband. A mother can think about the physical fitness when she stops breastfeeding the child, or you can wait till 2 years of age after the delivery, because till that the body needs time to settle themselves. And after 2 years of delivery or having child labor, you can think about having the physical fitness. Till that time, give the time to the body. Do not be more conscious about the figure or the change in the shape and size. There is a myth that the mothers those who undergone C-section cannot do workout. No, even I am a case of C-section, and I started working out on my body when my children are 4 years. So I don't agree with the term that you cannot work out if you have undergone a C-section. The next important point a mother should think about regaining her life is me time. Me time is the time or the quality, the time period a mother should have for herself. For this, she should be alone. That means the childcare should be transferred to a safer hand. It can be the husband or mother or any supporting people, so that she is mentally fit to take time for herself. More than that, she can spend quality time with her parents, or she can have good time with her friends, or she can spend time for meditation, or she can use her hobbies and talents during this me time, so that she will be satisfied by spending that much time. If you don't have anything else, go and sleep properly, or go out with your husband for a dating, so that you will be mentally calm, thinking that your child is taken well care, and you are mentally processing yourself to getting back to reality. Financial aspect is another point of concern for any father or mother. So if the mother is financially fit, there is not much thing she need to think about herself and the baby, because for even 10 rupees or 20 rupees there is no need to go and beg to her husband. But in my personal life the case is little different. Mine and my husband's pocket is one, and whatever we are getting, it will be invested together. The difference is, without my knowledge, he refills my purse, so that there is no need of asking money, so that interdependency is always continued even after 12 years of marriage. A mother is always worried about the food what the child is eating, or the screen time what he or she is spending on the phone or any other gadgets, or the discipline, education. So these are the important things what the mother is always concerned about. I would like to advise you, it is not only you responsible for the child, the father is also equally responsible. So don't take the entire pressure on your head. Share the responsibility of parenting with your husband. If you are a working mother, please do not bring the stress from workplace. Also, marriage is more important than parenting. What happens when a girl gets a child? She's more conscious about the child than the marriage. But always rejuvenate your marriage and understand husband is your first priority. Why I'm telling like this? Because even I'm a mother, I think more about our children. Whatever Enoch and Keith says against me, my Joan says, she is my wife and she will listen what I speak. You have no right to tell anything about her things or comment on her attire or anything. So this kind of attachment a husband and wife should have, which should always roof the parenting of the children, so that you can hold the hand together and work together. So in order to conclude this particular topic, I would like to request all the men and husbands that women or the mother, your wife, needs your help, so that she is able to get back into her legs, even though additional responsibilities are added into her life. Tell her that I'm there with you, we can do things together. This will help to bring her back into normal life. Hope this is a very interesting session, and I'm sure that all the mothers will take a step towards the physical fitness and the mental fitness, so that you can get back to the real life. Till we meet the next time, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.